Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can withdraw from the Lbank cryptocurrency exchange. I'm going to share with you how you can then sell that cryptocurrency back to your fiat currency and then send that to your bank account. I'm going to share with you step by step how you can do this, the easiest and the cheapest way. So what we need to do first is make sure we're logged into our Lbank account. You also have to be aware that we can't sell cryptocurrencies directly on the Lbank exchange. Now there is ways that you can do this, but there is a lot of fees involved and it's just simply not worth it. So I'm going to share with you the cheapest way that you can do this. So first up, we need to go to our account. So make sure you're logged into your Lbank cryptocurrency exchange account. Then you want to go to your spot wallet here. So click on the hover over your wallet, see the little drop down, then just go down to the spot and click on that. That is where you pretty much store all your cryptocurrencies. That is the main wallet that is stored. So if you buy cryptocurrencies, this is how you would deposit. You would always deposit into your spot wallet, which is just like your main wallet. Now, once you're on here, you have a cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw. Let's say you have Coin as an example. So I'll swap it to XRP, which is way cheaper for you to withdraw and a lot faster. It's like really fast. That's the reason why I do this. Now, first up, we need to trade this Coin to USDT, and I'll explain why you want to do that. So let's go to the trade button right here, the drop down tab. You can see the little trade, then just click on spot trading. Now we've got Coin, just remember that, and we just got to remember the symbols of Coin. You see a lot going on right now, but I would ignore most of this. Everything that you see, you can ignore. It's really simple once you understand. So what you do is, on this little search tab right here, just type in ape. So that's a symbol for Coin. You can see that there's ape and USDT pair right here. So everything has pairs. You have to have the correct pair to trade cryptocurrencies with. So you're trading Coin for USDT, which USDT, if you don't know, on Lbank, if you have USDT, you can use that to trade for any pair. So you can use USDT to trade with any cryptocurrency on Lbank, which makes it way easier compared to other exchanges. So what you do now is you would click on this right here, the Coin and USDT pair. So you click on that and now it'll bring up a whole window. It'll bring up the chart right here. It'll bring up all this information right here. What you want to do now is click on market. So click on market. Then what you would do is click on this little bar right here. You can see this little bar. You can put this is just a percentage, how much you want to sell. So you're selling your Coin to get USDT, which is on the left. So you're selling what's on the right to get what's on the left. Now you can do this by percentages. Say you want to sell only 50%, you can do that. Or you can do up to 100%. You can also type in the amount here as well if you wish. It's totally up to you. Then when you're ready, you just click on sell. Then you just click on confirm. And as you can see, the order has been placed. So you use USDT to get XRP. It's very easy. USDT you can use to get any cryptocurrency on the Lbank exchange. So now you got USDT, you can go back to your wallet to check to make sure. Click on spot. And as you can see right here, you have USDT. So once you have that, you can go back to the trade menu again. So click on trade, click on spot trading. Now what you want to do is type in XRP on the top right here, as you can see. Then you want to go down to this one right here, XRP and USDT. So you see that right there. Make sure it's XRP, USDT. This is a pair. So click on that. And now it'll bring up this menu. You want to click on the market again because we're just trading on the market price. So that's why I'm doing it that way. So we're buying XRP. So we're selling USDT and buying XRP. So click on buy and then click confirm. And then you should see order has been placed. So we can go back up. Now, once you have XRP, you can go back to your spot wallet. So drop down tab here and then click on spot. Then you come to your wallet right here. As you can see, you have XRP. So now what we're going to do is withdraw the XRP to another exchange. So then we can just sell the cryptocurrency and then withdraw it to our bank account, the fiat currency. So what I'm going to do this on is Kraken, but you can do this on any exchange. It doesn't really matter. So if you want to sign up to Kraken, I will leave a link in the description below. But if you do sign up to Kraken, I'll give you a quick rundown what you need to do. So once you're signed into Kraken, you need to go to the top right here. You see this little symbol right here? It looks like a little person. You can see a little face symbol. Click on that. You need to click on then settings. And then you see settings, security, and verification. This is what you need to do when you first log in. You need to verify your account. So verify your ID and your proof of residence. So you can just do like a bill. any sort of bill. So I just done a phone bill, and then I just done my driver's license as my identification. So that's all you really need to do. So once you have verified your account, then you want to go back to home, and you want to now deposit XRP into your Kraken account. So click on this little option right here, deposit. Then you want to click on the cryptocurrency. So we're going to go to XRP. So Ripple right here, which is XRP. So click on that. Now what you need to do is, this is the deposit address. This is the address that you're going to deposit into, and this is a destination tag. You need both of these, and I'm sharing with you what you're going to do next. So go back to Lbank. You need to click on withdraw here. This is on your spot wallet. Click withdraw. Now this is where you need to enter the address. So the address that I just shown you. So go back to Kraken. This is a deposit address right here. You're withdrawing on the Lbank exchange. So you're depositing this address right there. So this is the address that I just copied from here. Then we need to put the MIMO, which is the same term for destination tag. It's just a different name for it. So go back to here. This is a destination tag. We need to now copy that. Go back to Lbank here, and then just copy that into the MIMO area where it says MIMO. Copy the destination tag, just like that. Then you want to come down to here. How much do you want to withdraw? Like you can type in the amount that you wish to withdraw, but I'm just going to click on all. I'm going to withdraw all of it. It tells you the fee right here, which is 1 XRP, and then the amount that you will receive on Kraken. Once you're ready and you're happy with this, then click on confirm the withdrawal. So withdraw, confirm. It just goes over, you're confirming this. Yes. Now it's just going over some security that you might have in place in your Lbank account. So once I put in my security information, so the Google authentication code and the SMS code, I just go and confirm. And then as you can see on the top, it just says withdrawal has been successful. Lbank is handling the withdrawal as we speak. And then you click on confirm. And if you go down to the bottom, you should see that the status is pending, and it tells you where you're withdrawing it to, and you can even cancel it here. So if you ever do mess up and put the wrong address, just quickly come down to here and click on cancel. All right, so the withdrawal has been completed. So it deposited into my account within like a minute or two, and it tells me the time that I received it as well. So now once you've got the XRP, you can go back to your home menu on here. So click on home. Now you can see the XRP on the home menu as well. As you can see, the crypto that I own, so it shows up right here. Then it shows the cash that I own. What we first need to do is click on sell. We need to sell the XRP. So click on sell, and we now need to type in the amount that we want to sell of XRP. So we can do the percentages at the bottom here, or you can click on max. It doesn't really matter. Or you can put in the dollar amount. It tells you how much your value is of your XRP. So it's totally up to you what you want to do. So I'm going to click on max. I'm going to sell all the XRP. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Now what this is doing is selling it back to my actual currency. So you can see Australian dollars, but you can use this exchange if you're in USD or US as well. You can do this on any exchange like I mentioned, as long as you can sell it and withdraw it back to your bank account. So as you can see, I've sold my XRP for my fiat currency, which is Australian dollars. Now what the next step is, we need to withdraw that to my bank account. Click on withdraw right here. So this little withdraw button on the home menu, and you can click on the drop down tab. Click on the drop down tab. Then you see Australian dollars right here. Now what you need to do is you need to click on bank transfer. So click on the method bank transfer, or you can use this method, whatever you want to do. Bank transfer. Then you need to add a new withdrawal account. Now I already have mine set up here, but I'm going to share with you what you need to do. You need to click on add new withdrawal account. Then you just would put in the description. So maybe you want to put the description bank account and then name Julian or something like that. Whatever you want to name it, it doesn't matter. Name your account. It automatically puts on your name of account because that's what your name under your account on Kraken is. So you just put those in and then click on add account. Your bank account number and your BSB number, and then click on add account. And then you should have, if you click on the drop down tab menu, once you've set that up, your bank account should be somewhere around here. I have nothing else added here, but mine's already added. As you can see, withdrawal account to my name. I've just put my name as the withdrawal. Then you want to click on how much you want to withdraw. You can see the bank details right here, as you can see right there. Then click on I want to withdraw 100% of it. So I want to withdraw all of the Australian dollars to my bank account. Then click on withdrawal. It now just confirms which bank account, confirms that I'm withdrawing it to this bank account, and I'm just going to click on confirm, and there you go. The withdrawal has been successful. So that's how you can withdraw really easily to your bank account using Kraken, step by step. If you do want to sign up to Kraken or Lbank, I will have those links in the description as well. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, once again, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I do have the links for Kraken and Lbank in the description as well. And if you do want any other guides at all, I do have a lot of guides on Lbank and I plan to release more. So feel free to let me know if you do want any other guides and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.